been floating away.
Life is valuable. Protect it.
Yeah. Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week.
All armored vehicles are tested based on the official guidelines from independent authorities who certify the ballistic integrity of the complete passenger cell.
All BMW security vehicles are developed in-house with our team of research and development specialists, and the effects of the security armoring already taken into consideration when the base vehicle, the normal car, is being developed. If you take the window lifters, for example, the glass on an armored car is very heavy. The normal window lifter on a standard car would not be able to lift the window.
Our BMW specialists completely redesigned this window lifter. They're involved in much more than armored solutions.
No rest till the justice is in my chest, till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I knew enough to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose weight. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. I'm seeing something coming out of that rain. Mom ain't really my game. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison inside. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose weight. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. I'm seeing something coming out of that rain.
This is a 2012 Range Rover Sport. It's fully armored to defeat AK-47, M16 type weapons. It's valued probably about $300,000 after all the stuff that we've done to it.
Let's go take a look and see what it's got.
All right. So besides our standard armored package, we have armored the hood with composite armor. The fender's armored. We've also installed run-flat tire inserts, along with a ballistic forged alloy wheel. The braking system is a heavy-duty, high-performance braking system. The glass is completely armored and all curved. We also have composite armor in the door. The electric shocking door handles is another feature. The fuel tank is explosion-proof and also self-sealing.
This vehicle is equipped with a whole bunch of different security options, from a secure door deadbolt locking system to a siren and PA. It has an intercom external listening device, road tax system, smoke screen system. It even has a night vision recording system. It also has a 4-camera DVR recording system to capture what's happening on the interior and exterior of the vehicle. It's absolutely loaded with different security and defensive options.
All right, so this vehicle is ready to go now, right?
Yeah, this vehicle's finished. We're actually planning on shipping it tomorrow.
What the hell are you doing, Lawrence?
I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests. No bless. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Calm down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life ever when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. I'm full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see something coming out of that rain. Mine ain't really my game. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this.
Ja, siehst du, dass der tief reingegangen ist.
Wenn man was sieht, warte mal. Nicht innen drin, unten am Boden.
Like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh my devil, when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, stand on killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna